equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean workspace. First, power down your Lenovo IdeaPad and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel. You may need to use a plastic spudger to avoid damaging the casing. With the back panel removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop. This is a good opportunity to ensure your device is running optimally. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess your laptop's condition. Now, locate the RAM slots. Depending on your IdeaPad model, you may see 1 or 2 slots. If there's an empty slot, you can easily add more RAM. If you're unsure about compatibility, check Lenovo's official website or consult with a professional. To remove the existing RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module. It should pop up at an angle, allowing you to pull it out. If you're considering upgrading, ensure you have the correct type of RAM. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Once you have your new RAM, align it with the slot and gently press down until the clips click into place. Make sure it's securely fitted. After this, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and screw it in securely. Remember to double check that all screws are tightened to avoid any rattling. Before powering on your laptop, it's wise to perform a quick visual inspection to ensure everything looks in order. If you're not comfortable doing this, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad and check if the new RAM is recognized. You can do this by going to the system settings and checking the memory information. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your RAM. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your tech needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.